Hi, Jodi Daniels, privacy consultant, and today we're going to talk about GDPR. GDPR is the General Data Protection Regulation, and it is the EU privacy law made effective May 25th, 2018. So for any business around the globe that is actively targeting EU residents, providing goods and services to EU residents, then that business is in scope for GDPR and needs to be compliant. So often people say, well, is there a minimum threshold? Is it based on number of employees or revenue? There are no minimum thresholds. So whether you are a solopreneur with a blog site or a major multinational company or anyone in between, you are in scope for GDPR. So why do we need to care about GDPR? What are the penalties if we choose to ignore it? Well, there's a few. From a financial perspective, and you might have heard this, they made popular headlines, it can be up to 4% of global turnover, global revenue, or 20 million euro, whichever is higher, for the highest level of infractions. The next tier would be up to 2% of global revenue, or 10 million euro. More than just the penalties, though, I really like to focus on the trust. So your customers, perhaps you're B2B and you're serving a variety of clients. So as their vendor and service provider, they are expecting you to be GDPR compliant. And they might come to you and ask you to sign off on that. Or they might present you with a data protection addendum and ask for you to sign that. So you really want to ensure that you can meet that customer requirement. If you're B2C, then your customers also are expecting this of you. They're looking for a privacy notice, a cookie banner, and reviewing the types of email messages that you're sending them. So it's really important that you are recognizing that it's not just the fines, but also the expectations of your customers to be GDPR compliant.